right, pay attention to the weather this morning because winter's coming, Peyton.
Winter, yeah, our first strong cold front in quite some time will be here later tonight, and that's when the colder air will start to move in. For today, though, and I want to start with this morning as you get out the door on your Monday morning, there is some areas of dense fog. This fog is going to be mainly on the North Shore and up around the Pearl River Basin, Slidell, Bogalusa, up towards Picayune, probably seeing some of that dense fog. Here in the city, just looking at some of our cameras, we're doing okay, and then as you get further down towards Belle Chase, there is some dense fog as well. So just something to be aware of as you get out and about for your Monday morning. Going to be a warm day, no sweater weather just yet. We'll be in the low 80s here in the city. Now further to the north, Macomb, Baton Rouge, where the front will move through a little sooner, you're going to be in the mid to low 70s. Lots of clouds today, and there's an off chance you see a shower or two, but I don't think we see much rainfall today from the front. Hopefully, if you need some rain, and I know some of you do, we did get a little downpour yesterday, but it was really just right over the city itself. Not much of you did see rain, so don't count on it today. Now, the cold front itself, it's a decent one for October. We're actually talking near record low temperatures for some by Wednesday and Thursday mornings. That would be for the North Shore, but you can see there are some 30s and 20s up towards the north into Canada. You can see that cold front, 69 in Dallas, where it's 74 in Houston. So it's not one where the temperature is going to drop 20 degrees immediately behind it, but it'll be more of a gradual process where the temperatures really drop tonight. There's the front. It's currently sitting in the middle part of the state around Alexandria. Notice lots of rain and clouds. Now, this will send us cloud cover. I don't think we see that much rain from it, but there's an off chance a little stray shower or two develops. Now, once we get into tonight, that's when the temperatures really start to fall. Here's what it looks like tonight into tomorrow morning. Notice no frost issues. You don't need to protect any plants tonight. We'll be in the 40s and 50s, and it will be breezy tomorrow morning. So you will definitely notice the chill for your Tuesday morning. Now, it's Wednesday and Thursday morning this week that we will have a chance to see some frost or a light freeze on the North Shore. I don't think we're going to be anywhere close to a freeze or frost potential in the city. In the bayou parishes, river parishes, if you have sensitive plants, maybe not a bad idea, but really, I think the North Shore is where we need to start thinking about protecting plants. This would be Tuesday night, Wednesday night. So Wednesday and Thursday mornings where we could see a few mid to maybe even a 32 or so. Especially in that Pearl River Basin, these lower lying areas, cold air is more dense, so it will go into the lower areas. And so you could see some freezing temperatures if you're a little bit closer to the Pearl River. So kind of the first freeze potential of the season. Need to be thinking about the plants. Once again, on the South Shore and even really west of the lake and down in the bayou parishes, I think the plants are going to be okay. But don't forget about our people and pets. Make sure they have something warm. Winds are also going to be breezy behind the front. We'll be gusting well over 20 miles an hour later tonight. It'll be gusty tomorrow, and then winds will start to subside some on Wednesday, but that will allow those temperatures in the overnight hours to drop a little bit more. So whenever you have a lighter wind, your temperatures can typically be a little cooler. How long does it last? Well, about 3 days of the 60s, so there's your fall weather. Get the sweaters out, leather, whatever you want to wear, and then we're back in the 80s by this weekend. But really, we're going to have a nice stretch of weather here. Once again, we continue with that dry pattern. Other than some clouds and maybe a stray shower today, don't count on much rain. Still keep watering the gardens and things like that. Notice lots of sunshine with cool to cold mornings by the middle of the week with a gradual warm up heading into the weekend. April.